Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a new topic that will be on the area of triangle. In the last few videos we have discussed the area of parallelogram, in which we have learned to solve the problems which are based on the area of parallelogram. Today, the topic that we'll discuss will also based on the same concept, that is the area of parallelogram. But here we consider the half of the parallelogram as the triangle, and also we shall try to find out the area of the triangle which formed through the parallelogram. So I hope that you have no any problem in the last topic, and let's see our today's topic. The topic is area of triangle. Today we shall discuss the area of triangle, and we also try to find out the formula for which, through which we shall find out the area of triangle. So in order to find the area of triangle, we start from the area of parallelogram. So here we can see that A, B, C, D represent a parallelogram. A, B, C, D represent a parallelogram, and we know that the area of parallelogram parallelogram is based into corresponding height. Base into corresponding height gives the area of parallelogram. Now we shall do small construction in the parallelogram by just drawing a diagonal. We get that when we draw its diagonal, this diagonal BD will divide this parallelogram in two triangles of same magnitude. That means the both triangle, that is triangle ABD and triangle DCB have the same property. The both triangle, that is ABD and triangle DCB, both have the same property, which means that the diagonal BD divides the parallelogram ABCD into triangles of the same magnitude. Okay, and here, since we know that the area of parallelogram is based into height, so if we take the one triangle which represent the half of the parallelogram, the one triangle will represent the half of the parallelogram, which is obvious that its area will also be half of the area of complete parallelogram. So in this case, the area of triangle A, B, D, we shall write half of base into corresponding height. So we write the area of the parallel of the triangle ABD as the area of triangle ABD will equal to half of base into height. Okay, so this formula will be useful for our further study based on the area of triangle. So that the area of triangle BABD will equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. Okay, so this formula will give us the area of triangle which is formed by the drawing of diagonal in the parallelogram. So I hope that you get the idea how to find out the area of parallelogram of triangle which form by drawing the diagonal in the parallelogram. So the area of the triangle ABD is equal to half of the area of parallelogram. Okay, now let's start some questions which are based on the same topic. So let's start to solve some question. Find the area of triangle whose find the area of triangle for which the base and corresponding height are 16 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter respectively. Okay, so this is the given data in the question. Find the area of a triangle for which the base and the corresponding height are 16 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter. This question is the basic of the area of triangle. So now let's find out the area of the triangle for which the length and heights are defined as 16 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter respectively. So here first we write that given that base equal to 16 centimeter and height is equal to 8.8 centimeter, and we know that we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 b into h. Okay, now just substitute the value. We shall get 1 by 2 multiplied by 16, and here the base, that is 8.8, can also be written as 88 upon 10. Okay, now solve. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, and here we get 8 multiplied by 88 upon 10. Okay, now let's solve it. So when we solve, we get 8 8 64, 8 8 64 and 6 70 upon 100, and it can be also written as it can be also written as 70.4 centimeter square. Therefore, 70.4 is the right answer. Therefore, 70.4 is the right answer. So, student, now you can see the complete solution clearly, and 70.4 centimeter square will represent the area of the triangle, for which the base and height are 16 centimeter and 8.8 centimeter are defined. Okay, now let's see the next other question. Find the area of triangle for which for which sorry find the base, not area. Find the base for which area is 21 centimeter square and height is equal to 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeter. Now let's see its solution. Here given that area is equal to 21 centimeters. Okay? The question says that find the base of triangle for which the area is 21 centimeters square and the height is 4.2 centimeters. And here we have to find the base, that is area is already given. So here we write the area is given, that is 21 centimeters square, and height is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Since we know that, area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 b into h. Okay? If we solve this formula, that is just transfer some data, we get B is equal to, from this formula we can write B is equal to 2 into area upon height. Okay, now put the value here, we get 2 into 21 upon 4.2. Okay, 4.2 can also be written as 2 into 21 upon 42 upon 10. I just remove the decimal. Now it can be written as 2 into 21 multiplied by 10 upon 42. 21 1 is 21 and 21 2 is 42. And 2 cancel out, and here we get 10. 10 centimeter is the right answer. Therefore, 10 centimeter will show the base of the triangle. Okay, students. So in this way, we shall try to solve the problem which are based. And I suggest to all students, please try to solve some more questions from your book as the questions given. Okay, now let us see one more question. The area of a right triangle, the area of a right triangle is 5400 centimeter square. One of its length, one of its length is 120 meter, is 120 meter. Then find its other length. Okay, so here you can see that this is a right triangle for which the area is defined as 5400. Its one length that is given 120 centimeter. Then we have to find the other. Okay, since we know that the area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 b into h. Okay, so here height is given as 120 centimeter. Since here written that one of its length, so it is not necessary that 120 will necessarily its height. No matter, it may be also its base. Okay, you can write as your base. So here now put the area of triangle is given 5400. So write here 5400, which equal to 1 by 2 into 120 into h. Since 120 is multiplied form, so it will divide, and 2 is in the division form, that is why it will be multiplied. So here we get h is equal to 2 into 5400 upon 120. 1 0 and 1 0 cancel out. Now divide it by 3. 3 4 are 12 and 3 1 are 3. 3 8 are 20. Okay. Again divide it by 2. 2 2 are 4 and 92 are 180. Again divide 2 1 are 2 and 45. Now here we get at last 2 into 45, which is equal to 90 centimeter. Therefore, its other length is of 90 centimeter. Therefore, 90 centimeter is the right answer. Okay, student. So I hope that you understood everything clearly. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention them. I will clear in my next video. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.